Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today it's raining. It's the 23rd of February. Yesterday the 22nd was absolutely glorious. Beautiful blue skies, 12 degrees, ideal day for working on the van, but I decided to have a day off. So today, Sunday, it's my day off. What am I doing? Well, first of all I had a lie-in. Can't get out on the motorcycle, and apologies to all you subscribers that subscribe for the motorcycle content. I will be getting out. I'll be getting out next week. The weather's changing massively. I've had a lot on with work, etc. in the move to France, but I will be getting out and I will be doing some more content on a new bike which I'm getting, which is going to be a surprise, and also the Himalayan. I'm going to do a review on that as well, up to date. But as for today, I'm going to work on the van. It's absolutely heaving it down, so I'm going to work on the inside. I'm going to fit the curtains because I've put windows in this van now. I've took the bulkhead out, so I need some privacy when I'm in here. Not only that, if the van's parked up, people can look through the windows. It's privacy glass, but they can still look through and see what's in it. So I'm going to put some curtains up. I thought about making these myself, which I have done before, but it's a pain in the backside and they never fit right. So I got some fitted curtains from a company which I'll put a link in the description, from eBay. I got the rear barn door curtains, they're fitted, they're good, high quality. I got the side door, and I've got the bulkhead as well, which are the blackout curtains. So I've partially fitted the front one. I'm not going to do a video of me putting these together. It's pretty straightforward job with a drill, a screwdriver, and just marking it out. They've angled them so you can't make a mistake, but in case you do, they have labelled them all. It's pretty straightforward. So I'm going to go through the basics of one, then I'm going to show you the finished article and see how they compare. They're about 30 quid each, so for 90 quid, well, under 100 quid delivered, fit them myself, which is a 20-minute job, and I've got the privacy and they look good. So come along, let's have a look how they go together. See you in a bit. So they come in packaged in a kit, and everything's in the kit that you need to fit these. Plastic bag, don't need that. Two curtains, very, very high quality blackout curtains. And they've got the little, already on, they're hemmed, they've got the little plastic, if you can see those, which clip to the rails and hold them together, top and bottom, so they're not flapping about in the wind while you're driving, and they're a swish fit. You've got presters down the side so you can attach them, so there's no movement or light getting in, and then they've got little tie backs when they're open. They're a great size, they're more than you need, so you've got plenty of overlap as well, plus you know you don't want them completely stretched out. The rails that you get, two rails top and bottom, and they're marked on there. That one is twin door upright, if you can see that, and that one says twin door up left, so you can't make a mistake. They go on, and again, two bottom ones. So you put the rails on first, they're pre-drilled. So I'll pre-drill, line them up, pre-drill the holes, screw them in, and then we'll fit the curtains. So we're going to fit the rear ones. As you can see, we're inside the van. I've got the lighting on thanks to the Bluetti. I've built this unit in now. It was just bits of wood that I had left over. I built the unit, I'll show you that one shortly, but at the moment I'll crack on with this. We've got enough light and we're not using the power from the van, it's directly from the Bluetti, which is powered from the solar. Unfortunately there's no sun today, so the power that we're using is straight off the bank. And this one is the up. So basically that will go like so. Pre-drill the holes and screw them in. And then the bottom the other way around, which is like that. They're not 100% fitted. You do have to bend them slightly, but they are aluminium and they are lightweight, so you can manipulate them to exactly where you want to go. Just make sure you've got enough overhang that you're not covering. So if you had it there, for instance, you'd be missing some of the light out. So slide it across so it's engaged on that side and that side. So we'll get them self-tapped and see how it goes. Okay, that's the bottom one done. So you drill your pilot holes, line it up, and then it manipulates into its shape. Now for the top one and the other two. And that's the top rail on. So making sure you've got the overhang on both. We'd have extra press studs to hold it into this section here. Right, let's thread the curtain on. Making sure that the tie back goes on the left hand side for the left curtain. We start from the middle and work our way out. Okay, so we put these little plastic clips in the runners and then we put the end cap. It's important to put the end cap on because otherwise they just all slide back off. That's the curtain on with the end caps. So when you want to slide it forward, like so. And you do have these other clips as well, which clip onto the outside to keep them secure. That's pretty much it. Let me show you the rest. We've got the curtains loosely in. The rails are fitted, they're all secure. There's some minor adjustment needed, a little bit baggy in places like the corners here, but I can tidy that up. It's just adjustment needed. But again, we can open these up, let a little bit of light in. They've got the tie backs as well. And then we can close them up for the night. That's the rear ones done. Same on the side. Nice little tie backs there. And then you undo those and slide them closed. Makes it nice and cozy. And again, exactly the same for the front. And you'll close that to give it pure privacy. It's got Velcro on these sections to keep it nice and snug. We've got that total piece. And in the morning, we slide them open. Very good. Just got to get the rest of these back doors carpeted, finishing touches, and this side door carpeted. Tidy that up, lick of paint on the old units, and we're pretty much good to go. Well, that's it for this episode. That's the curtains fitted. Nice and snug, nice and toasty. It's private, it's nice and dark, blackout curtains in here. When it goes dark I'll go and have a look what lights can be seen in here. Have you done this? Would you do this? Have you found a better way of doing it? This is the first time I've fitted these curtains. Yeah, they do need a little bit of adjustment, but I'm more than happy with £30 a side, 30 for the rear doors, 30 for the side doors and 30 for the curtains. I can't make it for that. And I say they'll stand the test of time and they're easy to remove to be washed as well. Thanks again for watching. I hope you like what you see. If you do, please subscribe to my channel. It's completely free and it helps me make content like this. I'll be back on the motorbike soon, so if you're into the motorcycling, I will show you how a motorcycle gets in here, and so I can take the bike off on tours. And that's what we plan on doing with spring coming up. I'm Mick, you've been watching Rad Riders, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye for now.